Hello everyone. Today we will learn that how you can actually do a Jamboard activity in your classroom. So we created a Jamboard, and if those who don't know, Jamboard is a free application by Google, and we will learn that how we can use Jamboard for performing various activities with our students. So if you can see, this is my own Jamboard in which various activities are there. I've created multiple Jamboards. Now let me show you how I can create a new Jamboard. For creating a new Jamboard on your phone, you have to just click on this plus icon over here at the lower right hand side. If I click on this plus icon, it will show me untitled jam or a new jam. I can click on this section and I can actually rename my jam from here. I will make it test 1 and you will see that my jam is named over here. Now I can add multiple things over here. Now in order to add certain things, you can always click on this plus icon over here. Please remember, Jamboard is something like similar to a notice board. So it's a digital notice board that you can actually run. So for instance, if I have to add certain sticky notes to it, so I can add, finish your homework. For instance, I'm adding a sticky note over here, homework, and I will click on the tick icon over here. You can also change colors of these sticky notes. Maybe I would want to make it pink or I want to make it blue. Let's turn it blue, and I will click on this section over here. Now you can see my Jamboard. In my Jamboard, I've added this particular sticky note. I can come over here and I can also make certain changes. If you can see, I can add some image from library or camera or even from my drive. I can, if you see all the options over here, I can make I can make a copy of the Jamboard. I can rename it. I can share it as a frame, or I can even share it as a PDF document. Now coming back to the Jamboard, the first icon over here is the icon of pen. So if I click on any of the pen over here, it will allow me to write around on the Jamboard. So I can use it to write. Now supposingly I have 2 sticky notes added, test 2, and I'm decreasing its size over here. So I can move around the sticky note, I can reduce its size, and I want to keep it here, and I'm using a pen in which I can use a pen to develop a relation between both of them. Now in case I have to erase everything, I can use an eraser over here. In case I just have to use a way to show, I can use this option as well and delete it. And this is more of a invisible ink. It is more like a wave which you can use to actually show things around. So this is how your Jamboard would actually look, and it's a beautiful Jamboard if you can see over here. Now further, you've already seen all the content which is visible. Now in case I want to increase my Jamboard in one way or the other, maybe I want to change its background. So you will come over here and you can make its background a crisscross, or I can add some dots, I can add a color, and I can also make it black. So let me turn it blue. I like this color. Now from here I can also add one more slide to it, one more Jamboard to it. So the same file, I can add multiple Jamboards. I may change its color slightly differently. Maybe this can be the color for my second Jamboard. And if you see, so here I have. Now in case I like this Jamboard and I want to duplicate a copy, I will just click on the 3 dots and I will click on the duplicate section, and here you see there's a duplicate copy which is ready. So this is how your Jamboard is there. It's very functional. I will show you certain copies that I've prepared to make it more visible, and in case I want to share it with somebody, I want to actually use it, I can actually open it separately, and in case I want to share it, I can share using this icon over here, which allows me to use my Jamboard. But right now I'm not specifically using it with a particular email ID, but I may use it. So this is how the Jamboard operates. So let me close this file and show you a Jamboard that we used. So for instance, I have a Jamboard over here. This is a master copy. Let me try and use some Jamboard which I can actually show you. So supposingly, maybe I will just pick up on this one. So this was a concept map that we created, and now if you see over here, I have to practice this concept map. So I will click on this blue icon on right hand side below, which says editing. It will allow me all the tools, and then I can use those tools to basically connect between the files easily. If I want to add some text, I can also use various tools from the files, and I can add multiple things over here. So this is how your Jamboard works. I hope this is a good learning for all of you, and now using a Jamboard will become interesting and easy for everyone.